Hello friends and welcome to Tech Learn. Today I am going to explain you what loop is and how it is represented in programming language. Let's get started. Let's first understand what is a loop. Loop in English means to move in an arc or in a circle. Example, a ceiling fan. The ceiling fan starts from one position and returns back to the same position. Another example, our planet Earth. The Earth revolves around itself, forming a loop of day and night. In programming, loop is a structure that repeats a sequence of steps. A computer will repeat sequence of instructions until a specific condition is met. Let's say at a car wash center, below sequence of steps are performed while washing a car. 1. Park the car. 2. Vacuum the interior. 3. Wax the car. 4. Wash the car. 5. Dry the exterior. Let's say a robot has to wash 5 cars. He will repeat the sequence of steps for each car. This is called as conditional loop. The robot will stop after washing 5 cars. In every programming language, it is referred as for loop. Here we ask the robot to start with 1 car. Continue to do all tasks till he washes 5 cars. And he washes 1 car at a time. If we ask the robot to wash as many cars as they come, he needs to repeat the steps for unlimited number of times. This is called unconditional loop. In every programming language, it is referred as while loop. The robot will keep repeating the steps for every car and will not stop until we program it to stop with a break statement. Hope you understood the concept of loop. Friends, for watching my video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Tech Learn.